Do you love technology and saving taxes? Well, the upcoming products are a gem you can't miss, and some will leave you speechless. Those unconventional inventions defy expectations. Removals represents a significant advance in solar technology, offering a complete and compact system that guarantees a reliable and continuous power supply. This innovative system, contained in a single box, includes all the components necessary for its operation, as well as additional battery units that guarantee the constant availability of power. With an output capacity of 2 kWp, Removals has the versatility to operate autonomously or in conjunction with other generators, adapting to different energy needs. In addition, its integrated biaxial solar tracking mechanism maximizes solar energy capture, outperforming conventional fixed-mount systems by up to 40%. This all-in-one solar system provides an efficient and cost-effective solution to meet the energy needs of a wide range of applications, from home power to backup power in remote or hard-to-reach areas. If Removals has amazed you, get ready to be amazed by what's next. Want to know about an energy-efficient invention for your home? GeoFlow. Geothermal energy offers an extremely cost-effective alternative and can reduce electricity consumption by up to 50% compared to conventional reverse-cycle ducted air conditioning systems. Geothermal systems maintain optimal heating and cooling performance even in extreme weather conditions, eliminating high energy costs during the most demanding seasons. In addition, the design of the Renault GeoFlow Hybrid 22 system reduces moving parts and noise-generating components for smooth, quiet operation, improving the comfort of neighbors and families as well as the tranquility of the environment. These geothermal heat pump systems are designed with user comfort in mind. They're easy to install in both new projects and renovations. In addition, thanks to their compact and efficient design, they require less installation space than traditional HVAC systems, allowing for space savings in the home when switching to a geothermal solution. An incredible energy-efficient invention for your home that'll take your breath away. But that's not all. Keep reading, because there are more surprises to discover. Incredible inventions that will amaze you. Alinti Abro offers a unique experience by allowing users to connect and control its functionality through an intuitive touch panel. Not only does it provide the ability to adjust brightness and intensity, but it also allows users to change colors according to their emotions, creating a magical, emotional, and soothing atmosphere that enhances the Alinti experience. Best of all, Alinti Abro is designed to be accessible to everyone, even those with no previous plant care experience. Thanks to its voice command capabilities, users can easily learn how to care for their plants and optimize their growth and health. In addition to its main function, this innovative device also provides a convenient charging solution for mobile devices through its built-in USB port. In this way, users can not only take care of their plants, but also use clean and renewable energy for their daily technological needs. Alinti Abro invites users to unleash their eco-friendly side and enjoy moments of peace and tranquility in their homes. Allow yourself to be enveloped in soft lighting and purified air while the device generates clean and sustainable energy, providing you with a total wellness experience. If you like this product, wait until you see what's coming next. The EP Cube Home Energy Storage System, an incredible invention that'll leave you speechless, revolutionizes the way homes manage their energy efficiently and safely. Designed to elegantly and compactly integrate a hybrid inverter, UPS, and battery modules, this system offers a complete and versatile solution for any home. With lithium iron phosphate technology in its batteries, the EP Cube ensures exceptional safety and reliability. Thanks to rigorous quality controls, it's positioned as one of the safest and most reliable storage options available on the market today. In addition, its modular and lightweight design allows for easy installation and expansion, adapting to the specific needs of each home. The 10-year warranty, or 6,000 cycles at 80% initial capacity, provides long-term peace of mind for users and supports their investment in clean and sustainable energy. With the EP Cube, homes can enjoy optimal performance and increased energy autonomy, contributing to a greener and more efficient future. Amazing, right? But what's next will take it even further. An incredible invention redefining efficiency and safety in energy storage. Virtue PVT stands out as an innovative solution in the field of solar energy, as it's a pioneering hybrid solar collector that combines photovoltaic and thermal technologies. This unique combination maximizes available space while simultaneously generating heat and electricity. The versatility of the Virtue PVT is remarkable, as it can provide heat at temperatures up to 80 degrees Celsius, in addition to generating electrical energy for on-site use. By using a single collector for both functions, material and installation costs are significantly significantly reduced, resulting in increased profitability and asset value. Compared to conventional photovoltaic panels, Virtue PVT offers higher energy efficiency on flat commercial rooftops, capturing a significantly greater amount of useful energy. This translates into significant economic savings by requiring up to 50% less space to generate the same amount of energy and up to 300% less space to achieve the same carbon savings. Virtue PVT maximizes energy performance while optimizing the use of available space. If Virtue impresses you with its innovative solar solution, this is just the beginning. Get ready to discover something beyond your expectations. Focaless is an industrial structure dedicated to the development, manufacture, and marketing of an innovative solar-powered cooking device. Here you'll learn about a future invention that will blow your mind. Their flagship product, Solario Safe, has been designed to meet the needs of women in developing countries, offering an efficient and sustainable alternative to traditional wood or gas cookers. This revolutionary solar cooker not only matches, but also exceeds the performance of its conventional counterparts. Thanks to this cutting-edge technology, women can prepare a variety of dishes without the need for firewood, which not only improves their quality of life, but also contributes to the environmental conservation by reducing deforestation. In addition, the Solario Safe has received international recognition for its outstanding technical innovation, winning prestigious awards such as the Concours Lapin in France. This is nothing compared to what awaits you in the world of solar cooking. CaraPure is an innovative solution for obtaining potable water, designed by Cody Sodine, who was inspired by his personal experience growing up in an area where the water supply was contaminated. This device uses atmospheric moisture to produce mineral-rich alkaline water, providing a clean and healthy source of hydration. With its sleek and modern appearance, CaraPure functions like a silver tower that purifies water. This purification process involves several steps, from sterilization with ultraviolet light to mineralization with a variety of essential minerals, followed by alkalization and final filtration to remove any remaining impurities. As a byproduct, it also dehumidifies and purifies the air, serving multiple purposes at once to provide fresh water to drink and fresh air to breathe every day. Unlike other water harvesting systems, CaraPure does not use harmful chemicals or refrigerants, making it environmentally friendly. In addition, its quiet operation ensures a comfortable user experience, while providing up to 10 liters of fresh and purified water per day, along with clean and purified air. CaraPure has shown you how to get drinking water from the atmosphere, but there's more to explore in the world of clean and sustainable technology. Remarkable inventions that'll change the world? Renewable energies are constantly evolving, and Sololico is a clear example of the constant innovation in this technological field. This unique solution combines wind and solar energy in a single structure that can be used both for personal consumption and for the creation of large energy parks. In addition, it offers the possibility of integrating energy storage systems, further expanding its capabilities. Inspired by the sails of ships, Sololico's design allows it to move efficiently both with and against the wind. This is achieved through an innovative drag and lift system. In addition, these systems are equipped with high-performance photovoltaic cells, allowing them to capture solar energy even in indirect light conditions. Each Sololico unit can generate up to 7.5 kilowatt peak of wind energy, even with moderate winds of less than 50 kilometers per hour, and up to 5 kilowatt peak of solar energy. In addition, it has the capacity to store up to 20 kilowatt-hour of energy in batteries, ensuring a constant supply even during periods of low generation. Sololico combines wind and solar energy in a single structure, but wait until you see what comes next. A new era of renewable energy is about to begin. Rain Harvest is a leading system in the field of water collection and treatment, offering comprehensive solutions for homes and businesses. Their innovative approach is based on capturing, treating, and reusing rainwater to provide a sustainable and reliable source of potable water. With a wide range of products designed to meet the specific needs of each customer, Rain Harvest provides a complete solution for water collection and treatment. From surface collection systems to storage tanks and pumping systems, each component is efficiently integrated to ensure optimal operation and effective management of the water resource. In addition to providing high-quality products, Rain Harvest is committed to providing solutions that help conserve water and reduce costs. Their systems are designed to eliminate the restrictions associated with municipal water supplies and reduce dependence on external sources, providing customers with a sustainable and cost-effective solution to their water needs. Beam Global EV ARC TM 2020 represents a revolution in electric vehicle charging by offering a unique and versatile solution. Designed to be deployed quickly and without the need for permits, construction, or electrical connections, this system provides fully renewable and self-sufficient charging. Its ability to generate and store electricity, combined with solar tracking to maximize energy production, makes it a leading choice for sustainability and energy efficiency. In addition to its grid independence, the EV Arc TM 2020 is equipped with battery storage to ensure charging availability during nighttime or adverse weather conditions. Its compact design allows it to fit into standard parking spaces without compromising parking capacity. With the ability to charge up to 6 electric vehicles simultaneously and up to 12 in total, this system provides an efficient and scalable solution to meet the charging needs of fleets and entire communities. With this, you can be sure that the future is here. But if you want to know more, let us know what your favorite was in the comments.